Misibis Bay Resort in Bicol offers more than just a stay. It's luxurious adventures, from stunning views and exciting activities that promise adventures. Beach was good, swimmable, clean, of course with lots of shells and corals. Room was very good, beachfront room that had its own private pools. Misibis Bay is a five-star hotel, gets Nicely and Albay. And also, this 5-hectare islands resort may be reached from Manila by a 15 minutes flight to Legazpi, followed by a Senis 90 minutes road ride. So, yung room na napili at nabook namin dito ay umaabot lamang ng 10,000 plus for cluster standard pool views for only 2 days and 1 nights. Sobrang expensive pero worth it din. Dahil sobrang ganda ng view at ng resort. Talagang babalik-balikan mo ito. Kaya para mas makakamura ka ay mas maaga ka pa magpabook or magpa-reserve para hindi mabigat sa bulsa. Yung napili pala namin ay ang free breakfast na may dinner at advice ko na rin naman ay mas long stay para mabisita at makita mo talaga yung iba pang view ng resort. Talagang sobrang ganda at nakakamangha ng tourist destination ng Misibis Bay Resort. So ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Mas maagang reservation, mas mababang gastos. Book now at para ma-enjoy at masulit mo rin ang ganda ng Misibis Bay. Located lamang ito sa Cagraray Island, Makakay, Albay. At marami din pala dito silang mga magaganda pa pang views at mga rooms. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat.
The Mission District. It's a little after 7 a.m. Is this the first time you've been involved in one of these sweeps?
No, no, no. This is the first time they've been so quiet.
Man.